Hello there. Today I'm eager to guide you through the Profiles and Groups tab in the Rating Captain application. Within this section, you'll discover all your active and inactive profiles linked to your account, which you've granted permission to in Account and Permissions. This is the place where you can update your Google profile details anytime you wish. Additionally, you have the option to select multiple profiles simultaneously, allowing you to edit them in one go, group them into a work group, or deactivate them as needed. When you proceed to edit, you will find all NAP information available at your fingertips. This includes details such as contact information, location specifics, opening hours, and much more. If at any point you wish to return to the Profiles and Groups section, you can simply click back to the list. When you find yourself in this location, you also have the option to sync your Google account. This feature allows you to download current data, such as your address, categories, NAP information, and much more, as well as refresh the latest reviews. All you need to do is click Synchronize. The app will take care of it within a few minutes. You can come back to this later and check if everything is all right. In this section, you have the option to deactivate the profile if needed. By doing so, the profile will no longer appear in the list of active profiles and will lose access to the position map, keywords, and overall management features in the tool. However, rest assured that you can reactivate this profile at any moment if required. It is important to remember that only active profiles can be managed in the tool. Keeping this in mind is crucial for ensuring smooth operations and full access to all available features. Here, you will also find additional information on how the activation and deactivation process works in detail, depending on the specific subscription plan you have on your account. Additionally, you can generate a simple report that will provide you with even more details. This report can help you manage your subscription more effectively and ensure you are making the most of the features available to you.